Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hadri bin Muhammad Rasaidi. My student ID is 2022658542. My program code is CEEM750. My main supervisor is Prof. IR Dr. Jamaluddin Mahmud. My co-supervisor 1 is Dr. Siti Mariam binti Abdul Halim, and my co-supervisor 2 is Dr. Nurul Hayati binti Abdul Halim. Natural frequency is an important property in designing structures, as resonance can induce catastrophic failure. Nevertheless, the vibration behavior of hybrid composite laminates due to the hybridization has still not been fully understood. This study aims to analyze and optimize the natural frequency response of hybrid composite laminates under free vibration due to the effect of various lamination scheme, plate thickness, and hybridization volume fraction. Hybridization is one method for enhancing the mechanical characteristic of composite materials. It is possible to mix various fiber or matrices or both to create a new material that meets the specified specification. Recent research by Adali and Verjanko has presented the optimum stacking sequence of symmetric multi-layered graphite epoxy and glass epoxy hybrid composite undergoing free vibration. They selected high stiffness plate for exterior layer and low stiffness plate for inside layer. The objectives of my study is to develop an accurate finite element model of composite laminates under free vibration. Second, to analyze the effect of lamination scheme, plate thickness, and hybridization volume fraction to the natural frequencies of hybrid composite laminates under free vibration. Next is to determine the optimum parameter using response surface methodology RSM and design of experiment DOE. Last one will be to predict the natural frequency of hybrid composite laminates using artificial neural network ANN. The problem statement of my study is, first one, resonance is defined as the condition in which an object or system is subjected to an oscillation force having a frequency close to its own natural frequency. In relation to engineering, resonance could cause sudden failure to a structure, and the collapse of such structure could be fatal. This problem could be avoided by understanding the vibrational behavior and natural frequencies of a structure. Second one of the conventional methods of investigating the natural frequency and mode shape of a structure is by conducting physical tests. However, physical tests are tedious and expensive, especially for composite laminates. In addition, accurate models of composite laminates for vibration analysis are still not established. So, for methodology, there are 5 stages. Stage 1, convergence analysis and numerical validation. Stage 2, setting up case study using DOE. Stage 3, free vibration analysis using ANSYS. Stage 4, optimization using response surface method RSM. Stage 5, prediction data using artificial neural network ANN. Literature review. So, the natural frequency of an object is the rate at which it vibrates when disturbed. An object that vibrates naturally may have one or more natural frequencies. Resonance occurs when the force frequency equals to the natural frequency. These are the frequencies at which the structure will typically vibrate in response to external forces. These frequencies are dependent on the way mass and stiffness are distributed within the structure. When an object is subjected to a dynamic force, it vibrates. When a force is applied at the natural frequency of an object, it enters resonance, producing a larger amplitude vibration response. Response surface methodology. Response surface methodology employs numerous rounds of optimization and can be completed in three simple steps. This technique involves conducting tests to refine the criteria that will be considered, followed by selecting the optimal ascent or descent route. The quadratic polynomial model is subsequently fitted and optimized. Displaying the yield as a surface plot is one of the most crucial inputs that RSM take into account. It may provide several answers simultaneously, but by addressing the interaction between components, which is essential for process optimization and design. Give the limited understanding of theoretical correlation between dependent and independent parameters, which is mostly based on the second-order equation. A multiple regression model can be used to predict dependent parameters. Artificial Neural Network (ANN) is an information processing system which is inspired by the model biological neural network. It is an adaptive system that can change its structure of internal information that flows through the network during the training phase. ANN is widely used in many areas because of its features such as strong capacity of nonlinear mapping, high accuracy for learning, and good robustness. ANN can be classified into feed-forward and feed-backward network. Backpropagation network and radial basis function network are the example of feed-forward network, and element network is an example for feedback network. The feedback has a profound impact on the learning capacity and is performed in modeling nonlinear dynamical phenomena. So this is my Gantt chart. Status of my publication is I joined the 9th International Conference on Science and Social Research CSSR 2022 on last 14 December, and currently my publication is still pending. Status of thesis writing still in progress. Planning for next semester. Settle collecting all the data needed for my study. Just submit the thesis and then viva. That's all from me. Thank you.